Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Saturday. In video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make a patchwork shirt. This is the first time I made some kind of this, but it's really easy to do. I'm sure about that, and I love the final result. Okay, let's get started. I picked up a kind of lace cotton fabric in white and another kind of fabric also white. I'll combine two kinds of fabric in one shirt. I already directed half of the pattern of normal shirt here, front and back in one pattern. Front and back side are almost same to each other, just different at the neckline. And you can see the line I already drawn here. I'll separate them into 4 pieces, which is 5.5 cm for each piece. Now I'm going to cut out this pattern. Then I lay another paper on the floor and paste every single piece that I just cut out on. But from the neckline, I'll leave a gap between 2 pieces with a distance of 10 cm, doing that the same on every piece. Next, I'm going to draw the bottom line along and cut out the gap, which is a triangle. And remove every pieces again. Actually, I paste them on another paper to let you see the way I cut a triangle pieces, which is a patchwork. Okay, let's cut out the fabric. Starting to the lace cotton fabric, I'm going to estimate the width of fabric by place 1 piece of the pattern on. Remember to leave the seam allowance, then the width of each fabric piece will be 6 cm. And I'll cut some of panels with the same width to each other. Then I'm going to put the pattern on and cut off. I'll cut 2 fabric pieces for each piece of the pattern for each side. For the patchwork, I'm going to cut out 15 triangle pieces, which is identical to each other. And here I got one piece that I need. Now it's time to connect them together. Let me show you how to do it. I'm starting to the center of front side. I'm going to flip the wrong side of lace fabric over to the patchwork pieces. Pin them together and stitch in by my serger. If you don't own a serger, you can stitch in by sewing machine. Then use zigzag stitching to overlap the raw fabric. Next, I'm gonna flip the other lace fabric over, also pin them together and stitching from the top to the end. I got the center pieces like this. Now I'm keep going to do the same that's all on pieces to stitching them in one front side. And also doing that on the back side. Now I connect front side and back side together at both sides. I'm going to pin the patchwork pieces and front side together and stitch it. Next, pin the back side to the other side of the patchwork and stitch it. And doing that onto the other side of this shirt. Then I'm gonna connect shoulder together. Moving on to the bias binding for the neckline and the armhole, I used a kind of cotton fabric in white and cut out 4 strings with 4 cm width. Starting with the armhole, I'm going to align the bias binding to the armhole and sew the way around the armhole. Then, fold the bias binding over the fabric to the wrong side and sew along the edge of the bias binding. Doing that on the other armhole. And now, turn the back side. From the top, go down 15 cm and mark it there. I'm going to untwist this part. I also used the bias binding to cover this opening part. Actually, doing the same way what I just did at the armhole. And now, at the end of the opening part, I'm gonna fold and stick a little triangle at there. Next, doing that on the neckline. Before folding the bias binding over the fabric to the wrong side, Remember to put the small hook between them. I use a kind of circle elastic to create a small hook at the backside, then stitching around on the edge of the bias binding. And stitching a pretty button on right here. Moving on to the bottom of the top, I'm going to trim the excess fabrics first. Next, I'm going to measure the length of the bottom of the top, and from the bottom go up 6 cm and also measure the length of background. Now I'm going to cut some panel of cotton lace fabric with 6 cm width, then connect them together how to one side fit with the bottom of the top and the other side fit with the round, which is up to 6 cm from the bottom and overlapping at this side. Next, I'm starting to connect it to the top at the bottom first by my serger. Then I'm gonna stitch in the other side on the top by sewing machine to finish. And here the final look. It's really fit as my upper body and flare out from the bust down. I love this patchwork top's turnout. It's really pretty, elegant and perfect for summer. Hope you like my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next Thursday. Bye!